Hi, I'm Jordan Emanuel. You might recognize me from Bravo TV's Summer House, Martha's Vineyard, and Winter House. I'm also a DJ here in New York City. Welcome to my cribbo. When I was decorating my place, I wanted something that would be warm, welcoming, very lived in. It's a one bedroom. I live here by myself. I have a wonderful rooftop, so I love hosting and kidnapping my friends so they never leave me. So here in the entryway, I wanted it to still feel like a home and that somebody lived here. So I have my hooks, I have my artwork that I thrifted from a hotel. Then I wanted to have like a little mirror section that was still giving like I'm at a salon. For the color on the wall, it chose me. We chose each other. It's my first big girl New York City apartment, so I wanted to go bold and color and really challenge myself, and I think it worked out perfectly. This is my favorite room, the living room. I am a bona fide couch potato, so I love nothing more than watching my favorite shows on this very couch and just vibing. That's my dream Saturday. I knew that I wanted a geometrical rug, so that's what I chose for this space. I kind of wish I had gone a little bit bigger, but she's still perfect. For the dining room, I wanted to complement the rugs, but I wanted to also differentiate it with the shape. It's a faux cow hide rug. No cows were harmed in the making of this rug. I had to have a nook. I'm a bench girly, I love a couch. So at my nonprofit space, Women with Voices, our founder, she gave me these chairs and the bench. So I feel like it tied in perfectly. This is my bar. This is one of my favorite features of my entire apartment. I wanted it to stand out. So this is primarily where most of the color is in the room. You know, I have the orange ottomans down here, which kind of makes it a more lounge area, also creating more seating for when I have those big groups over. And I have my favorite shot glasses, Golden Girls, love them. They're not for drinking, only for looking. And I love these martini glasses. I thrifted them and I feel like they go perfectly with the scheme over here. So just beyond my living room area is my glam room. To me, it's so fun because I have all my beauty products here, my fragrances, my skincare, my hair, everything glam is in here. And I just love how the color complements the space. Over here, I have what was originally my bar, and I've turned it into a fragrance bar. So you can try it. It has little testers that you can spritz. Back here is my skincare and body care and lipsticks section. And then I have this great armoire / wardrobe, and it has a wonderful mirror where I am trying clothes on and stuff and make sure everything's looking great. Here we have Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head. It's still glam because they got their spa bonnets on. As a potato lover, I have to represent that in my home. Welcome to my sanctuary. My room is very straightforward. It's very serene. I still wanted these larger than life pieces in this calm space. So I made these oversized headboards to really make you feel like you have skyscrapers in your room. I also have humongous lamps, large nightstands to really give you that larger than life feeling that New York does, but in a very tranquil way. In my little homey corner, I have Winnie-the-Pooh. My mom loved Winnie-the-Pooh. My grandmother gave it to me, so it had a lot of sentimental value, and I love that it links me back to where I came from. Thank you guys so much for coming to my home. I know some of you have seen me DJing on vacation or just out and about in the city. So I'm really happy you guys got to see me in my own space where I'm most myself. Thank you so much for coming. Ciao.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best Open House has to offer.